Welcome to the video. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how to build a website with Dazzly Website Builder and ChatGPT. ChatGPT will be assisting with the text for this website. In this case, we're going to do a fictitious nutrition business called Sarah's Nutrition, and we'll set up a website for that business in no time at all. So let's crack into it. So I just set up an account here on Dazzly with a fictitious email there, just for this example business, and we'll create the website there. But at the same time, we'll go through the ChatGPT disclaimer here and noting the limitations of the system there. And we will open up a new chat right here to be asking it for assistance with the text-based aspects of creating the website. So as you can see here with Dazzly, we have the preview website on the right, looking a little bit bare, but we'll put in some content and get that looking better. Now we haven't pre-prepared a logo, so in this case we'll actually just do I don't have a logo yet, and we'll just pick some nice colors. In this case, probably look for a green. This looks quite good for a nutrition business, so we'll click save. That adds the color scheme, which you'll see in the preview in just a moment. There we go. So still looking a bit bare. We'll get a background photo in there, and we'll use one of our stock image libraries. We'll just search for a nature-based photo. So that's the sort of thing you might expect on a nutritionist website. This one's looking quite good. With the mountain range there, we'll save that in. So now we have the website background. Now we're going to need an introduction message. It recommends we do 75 characters. So this is a chance for us to use ChatGPT, as often writing text for a business website can be difficult. So if we go down here to ChatGPT and we'll say, we'll give it some basic information. So we'll say, so if you can't see that, it says, can you please write an introduction message for a website for a fictitious nutrition business called Sarah's Nutrition? Please keep the introduction message under 75 characters. That's just to prime ChatGPT with a bit of information to help us with some the subsequent piece of text we'll need. So let's put that in there, and it's coming up with its answer now. So there we go. Transform your health with personalized nutrition plans from Sarah's Nutrition. So we'll take that text right there without altering it at all. We will copy that and we'll paste it right here. And there we go. It actually has gone over 75 characters, which is quite interesting. Nonetheless, we'll save that introduction message there. So there we go. We can see that now. That's very helpful. We didn't have to think through that. We're putting together a good prototype website design. So we'll click here on tagline, and tagline for the business. Again, that's a small amount of text that supplements the main message, and ideally not exceeding 50 characters. So again, with that information primed, we can ask ChatGPT. Go. Can you please write a short tagline for Sarah's Nutrition? Please keep the tagline to less than 50 characters. And it's come back with nourish your body, empower your life. Quote Sarah's Nutrition. Now we won't take the Sarah's Nutrition on the end, but we will take the first part there and put that in as a tagline. So that's 36 characters. Put a full stop on the end there and go save changes. So that's much easier than needing to come up with one on the spot. We now have a website design coming together. Now we're going to go into the services page. And this is typically the pages that can require a little bit more information, often for SEO purposes, but also just to actually have something for your customers to read when they arrive on the page. So because we actually have to come up with some services for this business I'm actually going to ask ChatGPT for assistance with that. So I'll ask ChatGPT to come up with some services for this fictitious business. So I've said, can you please tell me free services that could be offered by Sarah's Nutrition as a nutritionist? So they've come back with, ChatGPT has come back with, sure, here are free services that could be offered by Sarah's Nutrition, nutritional assessment, meal planning, and follow-up consultations. And they've even provided some initial descriptive information on that. Now, in this case, we're just going to take the title for each of those services and note that down. So the first service title being nutritional assessment. I'll actually just copy that directly out of ChatGPT. So we'll copy that and paste here. Now again, we're going to use the stock library. So we're actually going to create a service page for each of these services, but we're going to need some more assistance with some of the additional text as well. But let's just get a stock image. So nutrition. There we go. So it's a nice image based off nutrition. Now header 1. So what we're going to ask ChatGPT to do, because we need to just about 3 paragraphs for each service, we're going to ask it to write the paragraphs for each service individually, and then from that we'll probably just come up with a header ourselves. So I've said, can you please write 3 paragraphs explaining how Sarah's Nutrition carries out the nutrition assessment service? So here we go. ChatGPT is writing 3 paragraphs right here, which I won't take the time to read them out in full, but you can see immediately how useful this is for being able to get the information directly into the website. So I'll just let it finish there, and then we'll copy these paragraphs individually into their respective fields in Dazzly. So it's done a good job there. We'll take the first paragraph for the service. We'll put it into the description there. We'll take the second service paragraph and put it into the description here. We'll take the third service paragraph and we'll put it into the description here. Now we could have probably formatted the query to ChatGPT better and perhaps got a header as well. But if we just actually look at what it's come up with here, I'm sure we can come up with something quickly. So comprehensive evaluation of the client's current eating habits, dietary needs, and health goals. So we'll just say comprehensive evaluation for the first one. Again, we'll pick another image related to nutrition. Again, with the assistance of the stock libraries here, it's very easy to pull images through with Dazzly, get something up and running. And of course, let's have a look at this next text and pick something from here. So it looks like a bit of a health review. Let's put that down for the second header. Again, we'll pick another nutritional image. I appreciate you don't know exactly where these images are going at this moment, but I'll show you on the website preview in just a moment, and you'll see where all this content ends up on your page. So they'll come up with a customized nutrition plan. So let's just customize plan. Let's keep it short. And one last nutrition image. Perhaps I'll do a plan evaluated image. Text that looks like a good one there. We'll save this image here. Now, just to show you quickly how it is actually coming together, we'll jump back even with a single service and look at this website preview. Just to jump directly to the nutritional assessment page, which has been created, you can see where the images and the information ends up, and just see how quickly and how powerful that is that we've drafted this page very quickly. It's got a strong call to action. It would be a bit better if it had a logo, but nonetheless, you can see how quickly and how powerful it is to be able to get website design up and running with Dazzly and ChatGPT. But that's the first service there. I just wanted to give you that visual so you can see where they're actually ending up. Now I'll jump back in and we're going to add the other two services. So once again, we'll be employing the help of ChatGPT. Our second service being meal planning. So put that in here. Now we're going to ask for the same thing again. So I will just actually copy that question just to make it even easier. And then instead of nutritional assessment, we'll just change that to meal planning service. And again, get ChatGPT's help. As we're doing that, we'll look up an image here and get some nice imagery in there so the page can be coming together. Some really nice images coming through here for this page. Make it look nice and vibrant. And you can see ChatGPT on the left is almost done with our answer there, so that'll be great. Most of the images done there. Now we're going to come back and copy this first paragraph. Again, we asked it to write 3 paragraphs explaining how Sarah's Nutrition carries out the meal planning service. So having done that for us, we can now take these paragraphs individually. First paragraph, which will end up in that top third of the page, service page. And this one's about health and wellness. Health and wellness is the header there. The second paragraph here. Copy this across. Now this paragraph is about a consultation with the client for their goals. And then more about the customized plan. So goals and planning. And for the last one, we'll take this paragraph here. Copy that, paste it here into the third part, and about support and guidance, that's important too. And then that last image we missed. Again, it might be good to have another one on planning here. So the schedule here is quite relevant. So there we go. Very quickly, we've been able to put together these service pages thanks to ChatGPT. And we will ask the question again, but for the third service. And that'll be the last one, and we can move on to the other parts. This will be for the follow-up consultations. So let's see what they have to say about that. Make sure I spelled that right. And we'll start making that as well. Pick an image there, probably more along the lines of corporate consultation. Maybe we'll pick it's actually good to make these images the same. Then we'll find a more nutrition looking image. And as you can see on the left there, ChatGPT has written all of the text already for us. Just put these images in here. I'm going to do that last one now, so we don't have to worry about that. Remember, it's very easy to go back in and change the images if you need to subsequently. And again, we're just putting something together here for the demonstration, so just take this first paragraph here, put it in this part here. So it's talking about the nutritional assessment plan and following up on that. Second one is about discussing progress by the looks of it. And you'll see very shortly how this comes out on the page. It should look nice with these images. And this last one. Support. And we'll say there we go. We've got the free service pages together. If we go back to our preview here, as you can see now we've got the first two appearing here. We can bring that other one up in a larger preview in just a moment, but we'll step through and finish the website, and then we can step through every page. So let's go and have a look. There's only a couple of things left. So the short brand statement, we'll get some assistance with that. So can you please write a short brand statement for Serious Nutrition that is less than 25 characters long? So set empowering healthier lives. So we'll take that directly in there and save. Now the about photo, we're just gonna search for nutritionist. See what we come up with. Picture will do. And then an about us message. So this is something we really will pay to have ChatGPT's help. We obviously have a WYSIWYG editor here, but the main thing is we need some text, and it can be quite long. So let's ask ChatGPT to write that for us. So I've said, can you please write an about us message for Serious Nutrition website highlighting the qualifications, years of experience, and values in servicing the local Oakwood community. And here we go. It's coming back with a couple of paragraphs now, which we'll be able to copy directly into this text field. And we should be almost good to go. So copy this text out directly in. Put it in here. It's actually looking quite well formatted. We could always go and add a phone number here if we really wanted to. A fictitious email address. You can always set these up as a link as well, which is very easy. Of course, a link for phone contact. Simply put TEL : at the front. A little bit technical, but still not too hard, and we recommend bolding those as well, so they can look quite good on the website. Now we'll actually save that message. And in terms of the main website content required, we are just about good to go. I think it does look a bit better though if we have an email address and a phone number. So I'll just scroll down and put a fictitious one in. Also change the font as well, something a bit more exciting. So let's go through and look at some fonts. Even that one back there. This looks nice for a nutrition business. Looks a little bit better. You can just see how it is easier to use Dazzly, where you just simply change things here on the interface and it updates the website for you right there on the live preview. So go back, you can see the phone numbers there now. We'll go down and just do the email address again with a fake email, but that's okay. Just to demonstrate the point. So we'll go back. Okay, so that's looking a little bit better. Now we have just done the service pages. Now we could add a gallery or some more, but for now we're going to generate a preview link so we can actually look at a full screen preview of the website. So that'll generate now. In the meantime, we can have a quick look through some more of these. So nutritional assessment, as you can see here, we've made this page. It's looking great. That's the original service page that we put together. We'll go back here to the home page just so you can see how it all connects. So there's the welcome message, the other tagline there that we put through. You've got your nutritional assessment meal planning page. Another thing here about the values, the picture we had there from the stock library, and the about text written by ChatGPT. Again, Very easy to click on the phone number and email to get in touch. In this case, we haven't quite set the map to the right position, but that's something we can very easily correct back in Dazzly. But as you can see, it's very easy to go through and put together a full-fledged website design using Dazzly and ChatGPT. We've got some great vibrant colors in this design and great images coming through from the library. Again, there's the page for the follow-up consultation. So in this case, it took very little time at all to get this design together. And we will have a full screen preview, which will be looking a little bit better. Just so you can see as well, we also do have a tablet and mobile preview available. So you can see how the website will look on those devices as well. So it really is very easy with Dazzly. And we've almost got that full screen preview ready here. Some other things that are quite good on the Service Warrior 2 template are that you can add a gallery page. It's very popular with people liking to showing off their completed jobs. Additionally, we have a lot of people that will write the articles. Again, something that ChatGPT can be very good to help you with drafting, and articles can be quite good to help your website get more visibility in local searches for those looking for job leads for their service businesses. Now, as you can see, the preview link is here, and we'll click that to open this now. We'll put that to full screen so you can take a proper look. And I'll just give that a moment to load as it's just been created. Great, so as you can see, it would be a bit better if we had the logo, but that's okay. You've got the full screen preview of the website, so now you can really browse it and get a feel for what the website would feel like for your customer. Got the service pages here. Obviously, you're not restricted to free services. You can enter as many as you like, and that will fall down on the service menu there. It'd still be good to have a few more things such as gallery and articles. But again, it's just a very quick way that you can use Dazzly Website Builder and ChatGPT to get up and running with a high quality website design really in just a matter of minutes. So I hope you enjoyed the presentation, and yeah, look forward to hearing any questions.